My colleagues today have been talking about the way in which a flat tax like a goods and services tax hits hardest in middle to low income families.
NatSem modelling suggests that a 15% GST would cost 7% of disposable income for the poorest households, but just 3% for the richest households.
Now, this modelling confirms what the Labor Party already knew, Deputy Speaker, that any change to the GST will unfairly impact low and middle-income families the most.
One of the reasons for this is very well understood and well known by everyone in this chamber, and that is that the GST is a regressive tax.
Clearly, the people at the lower income end of the scale will pay more under a GST.
If we were standing here talking about a 50% tax increase on business, what would be being howled down from those opposite?
If we want to have a discussion on tax reform, let's have it. Let's not just have a discussion on GST.
If we really want serious tax reform, we need reforms such as those that Labor has put on the table, getting rid of loopholes, fairly taxing multinationals and fairly taxing superannuation.
Nowhere have we had a member on the other side say what it's going to mean to healthcare, what it's going to mean to the cost of fresh food, and what it's going to mean to those people who can afford it least.
Slugging people who can least afford to pay more while letting those who can off the hook is never going to pass the fairness test in Australia.